So, uh, last class we have given three homework. So just show me.
Okay. This one, sir. First one.
Copy and paste it there. With question you paste.
Okay.
Good, smart guy. But here, this is actually the smarter way of doing this. But
Okay.
here, A is a number. It's not a string.
Okay, sir. But
So this is wrong. I can say
okay.
this. That's what I told you. In string only, you can do that slashing concept: A of 0, A of 1, A of 2.
Okay.
But it's a number. You should not give the single quote. A equal to only 235, not within single quote. Okay.
Okay. Next time.
Anyone has done anything other than this?
Second one, sir.
No, this one have you done?
Sir, I use that separate thing which we in I'll tell you one minute. In print function.
Hmm?
We used SCP, right? So separate.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Actually, I didn't type. So if I want, I can do it for you.
No, no, no. It's okay. Fine. Separate. Okay. Show me once. Okay. Just tell he will type it here. Shravan will type it here. Or Masood, have you done?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, sir.
Okay. And Mohan?
I done this mistake, but I don't know.
Okay. So let me.
Second and third was it was perfect for me, sir. I got the proper answer.
No, no. How you? What is your logic?
For this, sir.
Hmm?
For this, like we have to print a 1, 2, 3, then comma, separate, then semicolon.
Okay. Okay. Remove your code, Shravan. The old code. Remove everything. Yeah. Now enter. One more enter. Print. Tell me how you did print.
2,
A.
3, 5.
No, 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 no. How you can't? You have to take A. Okay. You can't take 2, 3, 5 because already 2, 3, 5 is there. You have to write a program
Okay.
to segregate it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let me tell you. So here you have to apply some logic. That is nothing but arithmetic operator. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Remove that print. Shravan, remove that print. Okay. Now let's say A equal to 235. Okay. So whatever number it may be, if you divide it by 10, what will get?
23.
23.5.
You will
Last
get
number is
you will
last
get
one is,
you will get quotient as a 23 and remainder as a 5.
yeah.
Right. So whatever number it may be, if you divide by 10, always the remainder will be last one.
Yeah.
Right. So right.
Yes,
X equal to enter. One more enter.
yes.
X equal to
Equal to
A
230.
A modulus 10 percentage. Modulus means percentage.
That's by 10.
10. Okay. Now print x. Run it.
Yes,
Okay. So whatever the number it may be, if you divide it by 10, the remainder will be always the last one. Got it?
Okay.
Like that you have to put the logic. Now
Okay.
5 you got it. Okay.
Hmm.
Now rest is 23. You have to divide.
Yeah.
How to get 23?
Divided by
Now if you divide by
Hmm.
10, the quotient is 23, right?
Yes, sir.
So how to
Yeah.
get quotient?
Mm,
Only 23 how to get?
2 by
Floor
1 by.
division. No, floor division. That double slash.
Okay.
If you give that double slash floor division, you will get only quotient. You won't get the decimal one, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now like b equal to
Okay. B equal to
a
A.
floor division. Floor division means double slash
Double slash.
10. Now print b. Run it. Now see, you got 5 by modulus.
Two.
Okay. Now floor division you will get the quotient.
Hmm.
Apart from this last one, you will get all other. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you have 23.
Hmm.
Now from 23, how to get 2 and 3? Again same thing.
Yes. Total by 10.
Enter. Now y equal to b. You have to take b, not a. Okay. Modulus 10. What will you get? Now b equal to 23. Now b modulus 10. What will you get? Last one.
2.
3.
2 y with 2.
Yes, sir. Separate. And
Write print y. Run it. So you'll get the last one. If you modulus will be always last one. If you divide by 10, from 23 divided by 10 means 10 into 2, 2 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder. Now how to get quotient? 2, z equal to, again floor division, z equal to b, b, b equal to 23, right? So b floor division 10. That means it will give the quotient 2. Now print z. Run it.
yes, sir.
Got it? Now you can comment the B line. You can comment it or remove it. That's it. So it's simple logic. Here only arithmetic operator you have to use. This is modulus and floor division.
Okay.
Clear all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Save it.
Second one.
And you should not do that string one. Don't give that quote. If it is a string, then you can do that way. Okay. But if it is a number, you should not. Now, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. If a greater than b, print the value of a is greater than b, else print the value b is greater than a. Run it. Correct. So instead of a and b, I want the values so that it will print the 20 is greater than 10, like that. Don't print b and a. Just write it. How to do?
Then 3 plus 10. Huh?
No. In the
You
print
just
statement.
change the command, bro.
In the print
You just
statement.
change-
That is the condition.
change-
Okay.
No, if you do like this, okay.
Okay.
Now change to a. Run it. Okay. Now change to a equal to 100.
Yes, sir. That's why given that way A, B like that. Sir.
No. But you are given A, B, but should not give within quote. If you give within quote, it will come as it is. You have to give outside the quote.
Okay. Okay.
So wait, the value of write A, B, whatever. Write A, B.
Sir.
No, it's a capital A, right? Hmm.
Yes, sir. Outside the code, comma.
No,
Give
wait.
some-
No. The value after the value and the quote, single quote and the single quote after the value.
Okay.
There single quote. Give single quote.
Ah,
Give some space. No.
okay.
Then comma.
Hmm.
Comma.
Yes, sir.
Now before each give again single quote.
Before?
Each. Before each. After A.
Okay.
Start with single quote and some space. Comma then. After A, comma, after A.
Okay.
Same thing you do for B. Remove that B from the last. Then,
Then great is fine.
no. Greater than, correct only, greater than.
Hmm.
Come out of the single quote. Then comma
Yes.
B. So that means, see, now A and B are not inside the quote. You have separated. So you have to give just comma. It will concat. That's it. And A, B will be not inside the quote. If you give inside the quote, it will print as it is.
Yes, sir. But
Now-
we change value, will change. Sentence will be changed.
Correct.
Okay.
Now
It's,
do the
dynamic
dynamic.
data also.
Dynamic, correct. Now run it. Now change the value there. A and B you can
Yes.
change. Make it 200 or 100, whatever.
Yes,
Okay.
value.
You understood all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Save it. Now next one. What is it? You have to find T. Okay.
Okay.
X equal to L of 1. Now X of 0, 1, 2, 3. Run it. Perfect. Yeah. Good. Save it.
So we no need to convert that into X, right, sir? Even directly we can
Okay. Now
command
write.
like print.
Yeah. Directly you can do it. Write print.
Sir.
Shravan, write print. Same thing you write. Instead of X, write whatever the value of X. X is what? L of 1. Write L of 1.
L.
My phone.
Instead of X, you write what is the value of X? L of 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
L of
No,
1.
L
Square bracket.
bracket, bro. Square bracket.
No, L, not L1. Give 1.
Bro, just L.
List is L, sir.
No. In print, X of 3 you have written, right?
Yes, sir.
What is X?
I cannot.
No.
Actually, yes,
Wait. You have written print X of 3. X means what?
X means this one, sir. L0, L1, L2.
No, what is X?
X is I've taken as a variable. This name, sir. Sita, you can pass.
Correct. What is the value of that variable X?
X is 1, sir.
No, what you have written x? No, what you have written x equal to? You have
L1.
written
L1, sir.
that L1 you just instead of x write that L1. That's it.
Okay. Yes, sir.
No, no, no. Down.
Down. L.
L1.
No. What is x?
L1, sir.
L of 1.
L of 1. Then that 3.
Okay. That is also by 3, right? This one, right?
Yeah.
Now run it. See, instead of L of 1, you have assigned is a variable x. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can do this way, 2 line or in 1 line.
Okay.
You can assign this L of 1 as a x. So x of 3.
Okay.
So instead of x, now you are writing L of 1. Same thing.
Okay.
Now let's start a new topic. Done, right? 3 are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's do the next topic as a loop. Okay. So okay, before going to loop, let's do one more example. Okay. Right. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Prove it. A plus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square. Bracket start. A plus b. Equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. How to prove? Okay. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Do it.
2AB, sir.
Write a program so that this is left hand side equal to a plus b whole square, right hand side equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So LHS equal to RHS. We have
Yes, sir.
used to do that, right, in our college time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now do it in program.
We can put value, sir. Here, one value, B, one value, something.
Correct. Yeah. Take a equal to 5, b equal to 3, whatever. Okay. Then do. B equal to 3. Okay. Now do it. Yeah, I mean, you all can guide him maybe if you find some logic.
Can I go RHS, RHS, LHS, sir? Here mention or?
Yeah, you can mention RHSS. That is nothing but a variable name. That's it. Okay.
Automatic.
Hmm. What is this last two print statement? What you are trying to write?
We compare listings, LHS equal to RHS, like that. Last time we done no value if you change.
Okay. No, remove last two print statement. Delete.
Okay.
Run it. Okay. Now, how to check it? Now, this is how to check. You have to check the condition, right? So, conditional statement means what? If condition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. If LHS equal to RHS.
Okay. If condition you will do.
Here you have to use if condition. If LHS equal to which equal to double equal to
Yes.
RHS colon enter prove. No, don't give space. Backspace. Print
Yes.
both are same. Else
Yes.
you can print ELSE else colon print both are not same. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Can you save this one, sir?
Save it here. Now, let's say A equal to how to swipe a number. Okay. Next question is, I will do one more, then we'll go for a new topic.
Okay.
Swipe a number.
Sorry.
Swap. SWAP, swap two variables. Okay, swap two variables. You can write swap. SWAP, remove E. Give comment. Swap two variables. TWO2. Okay. Give comment in the beginning.
Yes.
Okay. Let's say A equal to 5, B equal to 3.
Okay.
Now I want it should swap. Now A equal to 3, B equal to 5. How to do?
Okay.
Right. A equal to 5. Enter B equal to 3. How to do that? Any logic? Can you think?
Yes, sir. You can.
Let's say I'll tell you one example. Let's say in one bucket you have milk. In another bucket you have water. Okay.
Okay.
So you want to exchange in this bucket water, in this bucket milk. It should exchange. How to do that?
You can take another bucket, put it in the first, what do you want, water or something. You can swipe this water into milk, empty bucket, you can put again water.
Perfect.
So you can take on a variable, X or something, you can swipe into 5 into X, again you can B swipe into A.
Perfect. Do it. So you are using some temporary variable. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's say T equal to X. Okay.
Okay.
That means in T you have kept X. I mean the A value. No, T equal to A. Don't give bracket and all. Just T equal to A. That means A 5 now kept it into the temporary variable. Okay. Now in A you have to put what? B. Now A equal to B.
Yes, sir.
A equal to V. Okay. Now what to do? B equal to what? What is there in temporary? Put it in B.
Okay.
B equal to T. B equal to T.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now print A, print B. Okay. Before that print. Okay. After B equal to 3, enter. After B equal to 3, enter. Print A, print B.
Okay.
I mean print. Right. Print. The value of A before swap is this. The value of A before swap SWAP. Then give comma A. Outside the quote, comma A. Similarly, write the value of B before swap.
Okay.
B.
This method is used in the list part, right, sir?
No, list. No. This is a simple number. List means you have to take square bracket and you used to do list, right?
Okay.
List we have not done. This is only we are taking as a number. That's it. List means some list of items. When you take the multiple more than one, then it will become a list.
Okay.
So here what we did, swap two variables. Let's say A equal to 5, B equal to 3. Now I want A value should be in the B value should be in the A. So for that, let's say we have to take a temporary variable. Kind of, let's say one milk is there and water is there. Take another bucket, put the milk there, Now water is changed here, then that temporary bucket, put it here. So like that, same thing we have done. Write it, you write it, print the value of A after swap. Same thing we write, just instead of before, write after, that's it. So what I did first, T equal to A, that means the value of A we kept in a temporary variable. And now B value kept it into A. Now in B value, that temporary value you kept, that I kept it there, that's it. Same, that milk and water, if you think, similar way. Now print it.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So these are the things that you have to think, the logic. But it's very simple. There is nothing much. Okay. Save it. Okay, like this, try to do very small programs so that you will get a confidence. Don't do for the time being. Don't go for any complex programs or any big programs. Don't go for that. Small
Okay.
program you do, you will get confident. Then your base and fundamentals should be clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good. So now I think it's time. Let's stop here again. We'll join.
Yes, sir.